¿Qué tal amigos? Yo soy Javier Mota, los saludo hoy aquí antes de las 7 de la mañana, 6:43, en el inicio del Amelia Concours de Eventos 2022. Vamos a hacer un recorrido aquí mientras están todavía ingresando algunos de los autos, algunas de las categorías más importantes. Aquí está Ferrari 70 aniversario, siempre son espectaculares. Algunos de los autos todavía están cubiertos. Esto empieza en realidad dentro de un par de horas. Es la ceremonia tradicional que en Pebble Beach se llama Dawn Patrol. Aquí ya empezaron desde anoche a traer los autos y se va a completar el proceso. Más de 250 habrá cuando esté todo el campo lleno y ya los veremos todos descubiertos entonces. Acá un homenaje a la NASCAR que está aquí al sur en Daytona. No podemos ver mucho todavía, pero esta es la exhibición de autos retirados de la NASCAR. Aquí uno de Jeff Gordon de los años 90. Aquí viene uno de los autos participantes. Esta es una exhibición especial que se hizo en honor de Chip Ganassi, quien ayer en la gala principal de aquí de Amelia recibió un homenaje. Chip Ganassi todavía compite en la categoría Indy, IMSA, y ahora empezó una nueva aventura en E-Force, una serie de rally con SUVs eléctricos que ya arrancó este año. Después de que se retiró de la NASCAR, vendió su equipo a Trackhouse Racing, el equipo donde compite Daniel Suárez.
Park, sir. Thank you. Beautiful car. Yep. Okay. Just follow him around to the left. I got it, Chris. I got it. Okay. Take the follow Chris.
y otra exhibición especial dedicada a las carreras de resistencia, las 12 horas de Seven.
I know.
This much clearance, I mean,
He was catching along. Oh yeah. All right, I think we just lift to the left and try for a bit.
Mozambique in Africa, went then to Costa Rica and then back to Africa.
How does it feel, Sebastian, getting ready for your moment in front of the crowd?
Feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. But you know what? In those moments, I appreciate it that it doesn't have a clutch.
Yeah. And you appreciate that, like the Maserati, you don't have to be pushed out.
Oh no, I don't think so, because I still have a good range.
Excellent.
In our
What would you
battery,
want to
so
say a
we'll be
travel
good.
some of these cars take and before they make it here to the collectors?
Incredible acceleration of 3.6 seconds to 0 to 60, because some people want to play golf here afterwards.
Okay. You want to keep the grass in one piece.
Yes.
Certainly one of my favorite parts of the Sunday morning here at the Amelia Concours d'Elegance. As you know, here at Amelia we're very keen on thinking about the future, thinking about the next generation and who is driving. And so as part of the Amelia Concours celebrations, we have what we call the Taking Charge Parade. And yes, you can guess it, Taking Charge Parade is the electric vehicle presentation. We're going to have some of the latest and greatest electric vehicles parading here in front of you, so you can see what the latest technology is. And first up, and already up, is the BMW iX xDrive 50, and we have Sebastian Mackinson, CEO of BMW North America, here with us to, I think, give us a few words about the new electric BMW.
Thank you very much. Yes, what an honor to be able to drive this car up here at the Amelia. This is where the BMW i brand and the BMW M brand come all together in this incredible iX M60. And just for those of you who like some stats, 811 pound foot torque, over 600 horsepower. It's an estimated EPA of almost 300 miles, and it's 3.6 seconds from 0 to 60. And on top of it all, it's a beauty. So I think a great addition to the Amelia this year, and again, 50 years of M, and that's a great birthday present, which we did somehow to ourselves and to all our customers and enthusiasts out there. So enjoy it.
Thank you very much, and congratulations on your BMW. It does look magnificent, and I'm always blown away by the Charge Parade. And coming up, we're going to have a car from Porsche is coming. Yep, absolutely. I can see it rolling just now, and it's coming toward GTS. Absolutely, makes the styling of the Taycan GTS and the drivability of this car has been in the press over and over again.
904 GTS, officially called the Carrera GTS, and this car was also the GTS badge. For us, it's always.
Bueno, aquí tenemos la GMC Hummer EV, tan esperada, incluso por mí, porque la hemos visto varias veces, la hemos manejado brevemente y el mes próximo en Arizona la vamos a probar a fondo como se merece. ¿Mm?
that's good. Sometimes I do that. like that.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to give you a very, very warm welcome to the 27th Amelia Concours d'Elegance. And what a wonderful day.